Easy to install and comes with a long cord. I wish the flashing blue light was more noticeable. It flashes on right away but then slowly fades out and takes a second to flash on again. It would be better if it flashed on and off continuously without delay. Works for its purpose though. This is a great accessory for my Plantronics headset to show coworkers that I'm on the phone. The flashing light is slower than I'd like. Sometimes if someone walks up quickly they don't notice the flashing as it's not exactly eye-catching. Works exactly like indicated. My only concern is that it is so expensive for what it does. I wish there was an alternative. Sounds like the other positive reviews give most of the story, but they cite the short cord as a limitation. Extension cords of this type are very cheap. The 25 feet cable below is only $4. Cables Unlimited owed $1,025. Even my office mates were frustrated by the indicator's downtime. I think this is a must for people with this headset. This works, but because of the size being small it doesn't get noticed like I had hoped it would. This little gadget is small but very effective. We stuck it on the back of the computer monitor at the front desk, so now customers and employees are aware when the receptionist is on the phone, and it works perfectly. I absolutely love this. Simple setup with the Plantronics Savvy headset. The wire to the light is very thin, made me a little nervous to stretch it out. 5mm stereo plug, so I was able to purchase a cheap extension to mount the light outside my office door. The only con, from those outside the office, is that the light constantly blinks when in use rather than staying on solid. Slightly distracting when you see it out of the corner of your eye consistently. Would be nice to be able to configure it to either blink, stay solid, or blink for the first few seconds then stay solid. Works as intended. Working from a home office, I use this with my Shortel phone and Plantronics headset. It works fine with the CS540 and the CS530 units, and the RingPod adapter, the RD1POD. You plug the RD1 into the port on base of the Plantronics headset, and then this only plugs into the RD1 unit itself. Now when I'm on a call the light blinks to notify people. You can couple it with the audio extension cable to extend the overall length of the cable it comes with, which is fairly short in my opinion. Unit could be a little larger I guess, but it's not a bad size overall. A good visual indicator of on-call status. Click link in description for more reviews.